lead generation, pay-per-call. This is about lead generation, about how to get approved for pay-per-call, for lead generation. Okay, I had a video, $800 a day pay-per-call, this video over here, and somebody was asking about how to get approved. It's important to learn how to get approved for these offers, and so this what the video is going to touch on that, but this is a lot of work. Okay, I'm going to lay it out for you quick, but most of you aren't going to be interested in doing this because there's work involved. Building websites, building pages, you have to have a background. Okay, you just can't, they're not going to approve you, okay, if you don't have any experience. Okay, you have to prove that you're a marketer, that you have some kind of knowledge, that you have some kind of following, that you have some kind of history. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to build all of that real quickly. You can sit down in a night, a couple hours, and have the whole thing set up. Okay, really, really simply. All right, but let's go over to. Remember now we went to Offer Vault. Vault is a platform, okay, where you can get all kinds of affiliate offers. We're going for pay-per-call. So over here, you're going to click the pay-per-call tab. I'm already on page 8 because but okay, there's 15,000 results in pay-per-call here. Okay. So I'm going to show you quick the big kahuna is here's the one 825. Okay. So for 2-minute phone call in a rehab niche, you're going to get $825. Okay, so that was what my other video was about. Make $800 a day. All you need is one lead to make a 2-minute phone call, and you're going to make $800 a day. Okay, so, but Rehab Marketing Pros that's the affiliate network. They're not going to approve you if you don't have any experience. Okay, so what I would tell you to do is you're going to apply over here to all the networks, Digital Marketing, Aragon, Market Call, Ring Partner. You're going to apply to all of these as best you can. Okay, and we're going to go through, let's go through Burial Insurance. So we go to this one, Digital Marketing Media. Okay, so they have a little form that you fill out over here. So we're going to go and work over here, take 2. All right, one of the things I would tell you is when you're filling these things out, be as truthful as possible. Do not lie. You're going to end up talking to somebody either through Skype or through email or even a phone call, because the affiliate managers, your manager is going to handle you and help you, and you ask them questions. Don't make a mistake in not contacting and being in contact with these guys, okay, or girls. They're important to you. They're going to help you. They know what's going. They know what's selling. They know who's making money. They know how they're making money. You need to use them as a resource. Okay, but in the meantime, you're going to fill all of this out in the company name. If you don't have a company name, you can use your name. Okay, your specialty down here, industry specialization. Okay, if you have a niche, you can put that in here. Promotional methods now. Content review site. That's a website. Email marketing. Social media, mobile apps, SMS mobile messages, call center, newspaper, magazine. Okay, now so these you check yes or no on all of these, right? But right now you have nothing, right? So, but you're going to have to build a little bit of something so you can be truthful on these applications. So that's this one application, okay? So you're going to, let's go back over here. Let's go back to Offer Vault. So we just did digital marketing on the burial insurance, right? So now let's see this TV internet for 720 pay-per-call Aragon advertising. Aragon's is pretty easy to get applied to approve from. Okay, so there is for a lead 720. We can go join that network. Okay, so Aragon advertising. This is the page where you're going to sign up, first name, last name, email, company name. Again, you're going to put your name in here if you don't have a company name. The website, see now website URL. They want to know that you know what you're doing, that you have stuff in place. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. Okay, your address, your city. Obviously, you're not going to lie on any of this stuff. Your phone number. Now they want your phone number. They're going to call you. They want your instant messenger, whether you're Skyping or whatever whatever you're using. Okay, they're going to want to know. Because that's how they're going to contact you, right? And how long have you been doing marketing for? Now, you got to be honest. If you're brand new, you're brand new, okay? And if you're brand new, don't expect to get approved by a lot of them. But you got to apply to a lot of them to get approved by some of them, okay? It's a numbers game. You just keep applying, okay? If you got a couple of months, you got whatever, but be honest, okay? Don't be lying to them, because it's going to come back to bite you, and you'll be blackballed. Okay, all right. So I'm going to explain to you how to get approved and how to build all of this so that you can get approved. All right. So I picked a niche to run with, so that it'd be easy. It would be easy for me to show you without giving away something I already do. Okay. So I searched and I found diabetes supplies, American Classified Services. So you apply to American Classified Services, diabetes supplies, right? But before you apply there, right? Now it's $13.60 for a lead. Okay. So you're going to need to set up some stuff. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a YouTube page. Okay. First thing you're going to do is make a YouTube page. Okay. I'm not going to go through to how to make a YouTube page. It's very simple. There are videos on how to make YouTube pages. You know, pick a name in your niche. Okay. You make it and make a. Now here's the YouTube page I made. Okay. Diabetes remedy. It's a diabetes product. Okay, we're going to get on the paper call for a lead's going to be, what was it, $7. Now I picked this because it's such a low payout, you're going to get approved for this offer. Okay, and I'm going to show you that the $7.20 for the paper call lead is just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, now you've got videos here on your channel. You're going to want to put, you know, quite a few, 10 to 30 videos if you can, and you're like, whoa, wait a minute, I'm making videos. Watch my other channel, well, not my other channel, my other videos on how to make videos. Okay, you can do it through Creative Commons, where you can download other people's videos that don't have copyright on them, and you can, you know, splice them and edit them and make them your own video. Maybe do a voiceover if it's a niche that you are in. Okay, and you have some knowledge in the niche, you can do a voiceover pretty simply. You don't have to do the video, you don't have to appear in the video, but I suggest you do the voiceover. Okay, and then in the video, in the description of the video, you're gonna have a title, obviously, and you're gonna have a thumbnail, and I have videos on how to do all of that stuff. So subscribe to the channel. You're gonna put your links in the video in the description. I'm going to show you what links you're going to put in. Okay, you're going to want to put in links for an email marketing. So you're going to capture emails. So you're going to run email marketing. Okay, and you're also going to put your landing page in for the other offer. Okay, so where are we now? We need a landing page. Okay, here's a simple landing page. Okay, and it's got a lead magnet. Okay, so in order to get this book, to get your free ebook, they're going to put their email in, and it's 11 herbs. This is all about diabetes. Okay, how to lower your blood sugar naturally. All right, so they're going to want to get this book, so they're going to put their email in. They're going to get the free book. You're going to get their email address. Okay, when they click on here, they're going to go on to the paper call. Right, so the next one is, now that you have their email address. Okay, yeah, you read their email address. They're going to go through an email autoresponder. Okay, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, now again, I use a software. I build the landing pages. I have the email marketing, and I have the email capture. I have a whole bunch of apps on it. Let me just touch on it quick. All of these apps are in Builderall. Builderall is one price for everything, for all your digital marketing needs. You can build landing pages. You can run webinars. You can sell, your own marketplace, messenger chatbot, share locker. Just take a look. Pause the video. Read all of these apps. Okay, it's a lot of stuff for one price. Anything you could do digital marketing, you can do. And that's enough out of that. So now we go to the email marketing. Okay? Now you're going to set up over here. I set up the diabetes. This is the email list. This is your list. I've already got 3 subscribers in it. I only put this up yesterday, as a matter of fact. Okay, so these are my other lists for other niches. Okay, but there's a diabetes one. Okay, now when they click the link for the free ebook, their email is going to automatically be on this list. Okay, so then you go to the autoresponder. It's automatically going to send this email out. Okay, so they're going to send an email, a welcome email when they set up, and then you can set it up every day, every other day, once a week, once a month, depending on what you got and what you're selling. Okay, now in order to make this lucrative, because now I told you the paper call one was only $7.20, then you got your other offers coming, right? So where are you going to get the other offers from? You're going to go, I go to ClickBank, okay? So you go to ClickBank, right? ClickBank, you're going to go up to the marketplace in ClickBank, right? Which I'm already at. You're going to come up to find products. Now I already searched diabetes, right? That's my niche. Now ClickBank has every niche you could think of. Let me sign in quick. Okay, so diabetes, they have all these products for diabetes. Okay, so in your email autoresponder campaign, you're going to send them the first day is going to be a welcome email. Then you're going to send them an offer, so you can send them this diabetes remedy. Okay, average sales $30. Okay, we can go through the gravity and all that stuff. I have other videos on ClickBank and how to search stuff. But subscribe to the channel, check them out. Okay, so the first email is going to be this one. You're going to hopefully get some sales out of that. Second email, you're going to send them some value in your niche. So in the diabetes niche, it would have something to do with blood sugar, something to do with diet, something to do with something like that. Okay, so then the next email would be this one. Okay, and then you'd send them a third email with another tip, and then you would send them this one. This one's in Spanish. Okay, but then you can start sending them home remedies, a book of home remedies. And there's also, you can start sending them diets. Here's a cookbook, diabetic cookbook for $23. So you just keep sending them emails with offers, and you can, resend after a while, like once a month. You can send them over and over and over again until, if they're in the niche, they're not gonna opt out of the mailing as long as you don't abuse it. Okay, and so you're gonna do that. So now you have your landing page, you have your email autoresponder. So when you go to apply to these affiliate networks, when you go to apply for the affiliate networks, you have these things in place. Okay, makes it a lot easier and it makes you look like you know what you're doing. You can also build a website. Here's a diabetes website that I built. Okay, and put videos in there. And you can rank this in Google too, if you do it. And I have videos on how to rank stuff in Google with doing keywords. And Builderall has an app that'll rate your website. If you say I want to rank for diabetes remedy, right? You can put this in the app that they have, and they'll tell you what you need to change in order to rank for that keyword. Okay, and I've done it, and I've ranked stuff on page 1 of Google doing that. Web pages for product launches, but that's not what we're doing here. So anyhow, you can build a website. Now, again, Builderall has everything you need, okay, for that. But you don't have to use Builderall. You can really use anything you want, all right? But Builderall, like I said, it's one price, and you can get everything. There's a 7-day free trial. I'll leave a link for the Builderall, okay? But, I touched on it pretty quick. In order to get approved for those affiliate networks, you have to have a history. You can have a YouTube channel. Okay, you can also make a Facebook page, Facebook group. That helps. Okay, you could go to the other social medias and make a page there. You can do a Pinterest thing or whatever. So you have your YouTube and your Facebook, you have your social media set up, and you have videos on your YouTube, and in the videos you're marketing with links in your descriptions of your videos. And again, subscribe to the channel, watch my other videos on how to do that and how to rank your YouTube channel, how to rank your YouTube videos, and how to do all of that stuff, okay? Because it's very important. And you got to realize you're making money in all of these little areas of the funnel. It's basically a big marketing funnel. Okay, it's an affiliate marketing funnel with pay per call aspects in it, and it's got all kinds of other affiliate marketing aspects in it, and it's a multi-level money-making machine. Okay, so you can see the value in that, and the beauty is once you get this set up, it runs on its own income. It's automatic income where you just sit back and people are watching your YouTube videos and going into the funnel and going into your email list, and you don't do anything else. Of course, you're going to keep putting videos in your YouTube channel every once in a while. I'm going to do some. If you want to know other ways to make money with pay per call, such as Facebook ads, Google ads, okay, where pay per call will come right up. Leave a comment down below, and I'll do a video on that. But that's costing money, and you're going to be paying for ads if you do that. And I'm trying to stay away from paying. Trying to keep this as cheap as possible to start the business online, making money without investing money. All right, and YouTube is a free way to do it, and ClickBank and all of these are resources you can use. And the only thing you're going to pay for is the software to build the website and to have the email marketing campaign going, and that's all important. And you can shop around and see, ClickFunnels is the big one, right? But ClickFunnels doesn't have everything. So you would have to get other apps as well. So you're paying for ClickFunnels, and you're paying for all these other things where, to be quite honest, Builderall is cheaper than ClickFunnels, and it has everything else you need. And uh, I use it for everything. So join under me. There's a 7-day free trial. If you need any help, I'll be glad to help you. If you're new to marketing and you want to know, join my Facebook group. Message me on Facebook. We can figure things out. I can help you on the way, and we can build whatever it is you want to build, whether it's a YouTube channel, an email funnel, or you name it, paper call business. Basically, it's a lead generation business. Lead generation, pay per call, lead generation. Could even be local lead generation for local businesses. It's all basically the same concept. Okay, you're just applying it in different ways. Okay, so that's enough out of me. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.